Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and this is Geeta Singh. So today I'm gonna talk about something which a lot of people struggle with. Many of you ask that I don't have enough time to learn this English language because I'm quite busy in my life. People are often occupied various responsibilities like work, family, studies or personal commitments. They have very less time to learn a new language. you know Work demands, community, household chores, and taking care of family and other daily activities consumes much of their day. So, here I'm gonna share with you some tips or suggestions from my personal experience to you guys because I'm a wife, a mother, and how do I manage time to learn this English language? So, my first tip or suggestion for you guys is prioritize. Of course, prioritizing language learning in such a packed schedule can be challenging, but integrating small language learning activities into the routine might help you. I don't have time to watch movies or any sort of videos in English. You know what I exactly do? I always prefer listening rather than watching. So you can do the process of listening even while commuting, while doing any household chores like cooking, doing dishes, or taking care of anything. Identify what's most important and then allocate your time accordingly. Determine task that can be reduced or eliminated to create space. You know what determine means? When you determine your task, you are figuring out that what needs to be done. It's like, making a list of things you have to do and then deciding which ones are more important and needs to be done first. It helps organize what needs your attention and when to do it. So this is how you determine your task. Okay. My second suggestion is plan and schedule. So negotiate with your busy time schedule to create time for learning English by adjusting your daily routine. Okay? Use a planner or calendar to schedule your activities, tasks, including specific time slots for language learning. Okay. My third suggestion is for you guys is utilize breaks. Okay. Utilize your short breaks during work or between tasks for quick learning exercise or learning sessions. Okay. If you are a student or you are working, it will take some time to reach to your college, to your office, then use that spare time appropriately by learning English. You can listen something in English. Okay. My fourth tip or suggestion is for you guys multitasking. As the word multitasking, it means combine language learning with other activities. Okay. Like listening to podcasts or audiobooks while commuting, exercising, and doing household chores. My fifth suggestion is limit distractions. Okay, it means you can reduce activities that consume excessive time, like limit screen time or social media or TV. to allocate more time for language learning. Okay. I'm damn sure that most of you are using Instagram, Facebook, or any kind of social media. Whatever you get free time, instead of scrolling reels and watching some unnecessary stuff, you can watch something, valuable stuff. There are plenty of videos like motivational, productivity, and personality development. So, sixth one is consistency. So, this is the one in which I also working on myself because even I'm not consistent. So, finding small pockets of time within the day and repurposing them for language learning. It's nowadays became a common strategy. After watching and listening, the third most important part of this language learning is reading. Most of us think that to do any work, we should have at least that much of time. Even then, that work can be done. If I don't have time, that work cannot be done. So, every person think like that. Whenever I feel that I don't have time to find book and read it, then usually I turn on my phone and search for an article and read it. And this has become my habit. And I think it is pretty easier to everybody to reach out their phone because probably it is always in your hand, right? When you trying to read different topics, it will not only helps you to understand context and improve your English, but once you started to getting into the depth of variety of materials, it will expand your vocabulary and help you to choose right words while speaking in English. Create a routine by dedicating fixed time slots each day of language learning, even if they are short periods. While ending this video, I would like to say talk to yourself in English. Whatever you thinking in your mother tongue. So obviously there are lot of thoughts come to our mind very often. Why did this happen to me only? How did it happen? How is it possible? Why did it say like this? Am I wrong? Something like that. And this is usually happens after an argument with someone. Many thoughts keep running in our mind. So instead of thinking those in your mother tongue, try to think them in English. Okay? In the beginning, you may struggle with little bit, but trust me, if you are following this continuously, or you are continuously trying to shift that language, your mother tongue to English, everything become quite easier for you. So by integrating these strategies into your routine, you can free up your valuable time for language learning between your daily commitments. So this is how I schedule my daily routine to learn this English language. Hope you like this video. If you liked it, then give a thumbs up to this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Make sure to press all for notification to get my videos regularly. Learn this English language together with your all friends and share this video with those who really wants to learn this English language.